Good morning. He's still asleep.
I'm not asleep. I've been awake for a minute.
It's the weekend and we're about to make breakfast. You guys seem to really enjoy the cooking videos, so we thought we would show you what we make for breakfast.
And for breakfast today, we're actually partnering with Athletic Greens.
So stay tuned for that. Will is going to start the girls' breakfast. What are you making, Will?
I'm making French toast.
French toast. So we're gonna make French toast for the girls.
One girl, because
one girl.
One doesn't like it, one likes it.
Amina likes French toast. And Zainab wants cereal today, so she's gonna have a bowl of cereal. So while William is getting food ready for the girls, I always like to start off on an empty stomach with our AG1 powder. It's by Athletic Greens. If you haven't heard of them before, they are a nutrition company with a daily supplement called AG1, which supports your energy, focus, gut health, digestion, and immune system. It is incredible. If you haven't heard of this powder, you guys, I'm telling you, it's so awesome. It has 75 different ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens. It's basically a magic powder.
You guys probably know we wake up early to get to work, and AG1 gives us a boost in energy that is much needed. Getting in 75 minerals and whole food sourced ingredients feels so good, especially with a busy lifestyle like ours.
And surprisingly, it tastes sweet. So, what do you think of the taste?
Taste isn't bad. Taste is better than I would expect so much nutrients so densely packed in one little package to be. I don't know. Everybody's gonna say it tastes like something different. It certainly tastes a lot better than I anticipated it tasting.
And AG1 is vegan, paleo, and keto friendly. And since it's now cold and wintertime here in Ontario, we feel great knowing that we're getting important, hard to find ingredients with high level of antioxidants that support our immune system. Makes us feel really good every single morning that we take this stuff. So if you want to get your greens, go to athleticgreens.com/SalehFamily, where you can get started on your order. And we're so grateful that Athletic Greens is giving all of you amazing folks a free 1-year supply of immune supporting vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. You guys you're gonna love it, trust us.
How's your French toast?
Good.
Yeah? I made it with love. Lots of love.
Aww.
Tell me, how's your cereal?
Good.
Yeah?
Let's get started with our veggie omelets. You can use whatever veggies you want. We are using spinach, tomatoes, hot chili peppers, eggs, of course, and real cheese, not the processed stuff, and an avocado, and then grab your favorite salsa. This is just a chunky salsa. No rhyme or reason, just pick whichever is your favorite. Okay, so keep in mind that the veggies that I've shown are like our preference. You can obviously swap them out. Will doesn't like mushrooms, but I love adding mushrooms, so we're gonna skip that today, but I love mushrooms. Comment down below, are mushrooms a yay or a nay for you? Like, I need to know this.
If you're yay, you're saying, yes, I like to eat fungus.
Fungus is so good. You can add red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper if you like that. Sometimes we do onions. We just kind of like swap out the veggies. So today, these are the veggies that we're gonna do, and let's get cooking.
So Sana's gonna start chopping up some vegetables here, and she's not even sped this up at all. You know what, guys, at the end of the day, actually at the beginning of the day, we love to be starting our day in a way that gives us energy, gives us a boost, gives us that nutritional value. And what better way than an omelet with vegetables minus mushrooms, because nobody should ever eat fungus. I think it's a bad idea, but at the end of the day, to each their own. Do it one-handed. Wow, come on. One.
Can't do it one-handed.
I'll do it for you.
I've actually never done it one-handed.
Do it. Yeah, open it up. There you go. Hey! Woo! Aren't you so proud?
Not really.
You cracked an egg with one hand.
It's all over my hands.
Yeah.
Mix it all up.
What's in your hand? For all the people that don't know.
Oh.
This is the staple of every brown home.
having what is this called? The spice chest? I don't really know. It's got all the essentials. So if you're Pakistani, if you're Indian, if you're any kind of desi, then you'll probably have something similar to this in your house. We have cumin seeds, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala.
See the yellow stuff? That will cure everything ever.
Which is why I'm going to add it to there. So I'm going to take
Which is why your father just puts it in a glass of water.
Yeah, literally. I know. So we're gonna add about half a teaspoon and then about half a teaspoon of salt and then a little bit of coriander powder. And then I'm gonna skip the red chili powder just because I've already added chilies.
Let's check it out now. Now you do the whole whip it together part and make an omelet. It's not that hard, guys, come on. You guys ever have a cat that you can treat like a dog? Watch this. Hey, who's this? Hey, Mr. Milo. What a good dog. What a good boy. Next up, you're going to take the eggs and you're going to throw them in the frying pan. If you don't have a frying pan, you could use a magnifying glass, possibly a hot rock, or possibly really hot car parts.
Okay, so in the restaurants, and if you've ever stayed at like a fancy hotel and they make omelets in front of you, what drives me crazy is they will take the raw side and just flip it onto itself. Like, I don't do that. I think that's gross. So I like to flip the omelet over completely, cook both sides, and then add the cheese.
What she's saying is that she doesn't actually like real omelets. She just kind of makes her own thing.
Now we're gonna flip it and cook this side because this side is raw. So flip it over.
Professional egg flipper over here.
This is not, don't use processed cheese, okay? This is not processed cheese. This is like the good cheese, okay? So you're gonna take some of that and you're gonna lay it on. And then from this point, the other side's cooked, so I'm just gonna flip it onto itself and turn the heat off. And then at this point, the cheese will start cooking. See how it's nice and golden brown? Chuck that on there. And Will doesn't like avocados. I don't know why.
Sana doesn't like to eat avocados that she half ate yesterday, so...
Well, I half ate one because I thought you were gonna eat one, the other half, and you didn't.
Nope. Z, honey, what are you doing? Just being cute?
So I'm just gonna slice like that, and then I'm just gonna...
She's gonna... I'm not sure if that would be the terminology a professional chef would use. Gordon Ramsay, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
You're just gonna take it and just on the plate.
There you go.
That's it. A beautiful masterpiece. Aren't you so proud?
Of what?
Your breakfast creation.
Very proud. Will likes to make chai because he's more Pakistani than me. Yep. So that's what he's doing right now, is making a cup of chai. And I am gonna dig into this yummy food.
That's so cheesy.
Look at that cheese. It has to be perfectly portioned. So some avocado, some salsa, and officially murdered my breakfast. It was really good. Okay, well, walk us through how to make master chai.
Proper chai, all right. I'm a perfectionist, so I have to make sure it's always the same every time. I'm gonna do a little bit more than half of the largest cup that you can find in the cupboard. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my spices. Break these up, cinnamon sticks. Try your best. Then you're gonna have some cardamom, and yes, I would normally use a mortar and pestle. Nobody got time for that today, so I'm just gonna break them with my hands. So we got our cinnamon sticks, we got our cardamom, limited clove, because clove is very overpowering. I like to do just one if it's just for me. Normally, I'll have peppercorns. I got no corns, so I'm just straight up black pepper. Fresh ginger. Honestly, you can never have too much.
But you don't make chai, like spiced chai like this every day.
Not every day, but this is the way that I like it. If I've got the time, that's how I'll do it. And sugar, not gore sugar.
Awesome.
You gotta have the good stuff. You're gonna let that simmer. Because you added a little bit of extra water, it's gonna boil down and make it really yummy. All right, so we got a good boil going on. Woo, foggy. So now all of the spices are going to be pleasantly mixed up in there. that stuff. None of that tea bag stuff. It's not how we roll around here. Depending how strong you like your tea in the morning. I like it fairly strong, so I'll add that and then let that boil down. But I don't like to boil. I like to steep the tea as best I can. I don't like to boil it because it scalds it and the flavor's yucky. We're gonna add our half a cup of milk.
Oh, just about got it. Just about got it.
No. This is how we do. You gotta boil it down.
It's technically boiling up, so.
Well, I'm going down. Down, boils up. Unless you want to chew your chai, use a strainer. Let's see how accurately my measurements are.
That's pretty good. 1 full cup.
Yummy goodness.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this little video about what we make for breakfast.
Okay, she made the breakfast, I made the chai. So technically I did everything selfish and just made something for myself, whereas she cooked breakfast for both of us.
Yes. If you guys enjoy this type of content, you guys like to see what we eat for the day, or you like this kind of vlog style content, make sure that you like this video and leave us a comment down below.
And let us know what your favorite chai recipe is.
Yeah.
Because I would definitely, if it gets a lot of likes, I will try it.
That's awesome.
And I'll make a video about it too, maybe.
Cool.
You never know.
All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care, guys. Bye for now.